Hi guys, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Boo from Monsters Inc. So let's get started. To draw Boo, we're going to first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm just going to draw a circle right here. Nice big circle. And another one right across. So let's make them draw stick to eyes. So I'm going to come in here with 2 circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. Fix my circle a little bit, and so then let's do the same thing on this side. So from there, now that we have the eyes in, let's come back up here and just give it a little curve right on the edge for the lashes. So same thing on this side, just a very simple little curve. And then let's come to the center right here and give her a sweet little smile. And cap it off. Now that we have her eyes and her mouth in, I'm going to come to the side right here, kind of the level of where the eye is. I'm going to start and draw a wide curve for her face. So right next to the eye, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a wide curve. So I'm going to go to the other side and do the same thing, so about right here. And just go ahead and connect it all the way across. There, so we have her face in nice and wide. And then from there, I'm going to bring this up a tiny bit more. And in this area right here on top of her eye, I'm going to draw her brow. So it's just a very simple curve downwards and thicken it up. So same thing on this side and go down and thicken it up. Now we're going to draw her bangs. So it's going to be right above her brow. I'm basically just going to draw a curve across all the way, but I'm going to break it up here and there. So just randomly just break it up right above the brow, sometimes a little bit higher, but we're just aiming to have that curve that goes right across. And maybe one more right here and bring it all the way across. There, so we have her bangs in. Now let's come back to the side where her eyes are and we're going to draw her ears. So it's just a nice big curve. And then come inside here for some details. And do the same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to drag myself a point. So my ears about the same size. And same thing. Details inside. And now we can draw the rest of her head. So I'm going to come right here and just pull up a huge curve all the way across. So this is I'm just going to find my center, say about right here. Just give myself a point so I know where I'm aiming for. And connect it. So I'm just going to dip it a little bit right here in the center. And come back up and come back down. There. So then from there, let's draw her cute little pigtails. On the side right here, I'm going to draw 2 circles. And then the pigtail. So it's going to stick right out of here. Just curve it down. And then just zigzag right across. So same thing on this side. So say about right here is my center. So I'm just going to add my 2 circles right there. And the pigtail. So right there. And connect it. There. And you can come in here for just a little bit of curve for some strands. From there we can draw her little body, but before I do that, I'm just going to color this in. I think it looks a little bit better, it's easier to see. And I'm just going to make this circle a little bit bigger. So draw so cute eyes are very easy to fix, right? Okay, so then from there, let's draw her body. I'm going to come right in the center here and just draw her collar. So it's just a curve, and then her shoulders. Pop it down on both sides. And then imagine her armpits about right here, and I'll give myself 2 points. And basically just draw an angle line all the way down for her little nightgown. So I'm just going to keep going down. And before I finish, I'm just going to come back up here to finish her sleeves first. So they're pretty long, so I'm going to come down, say about right here. And I'm going to bring it in. And then, because I have her hands just kind of tucked behind her, so it's going to be pretty long. Imagine her arm, her elbow is going to bend. So about right here, just tuck in an angle line. So it's the same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to give myself a point, drag it right across, about right there. So we're not too lopsided. Drag a point across and connect it. And so once again, we just want the elbow to bend the hand, so just come up with a curve. Now let's bring the dress down a little bit more. About right there, I'm going to connect it with a very soft wave. And I'm going to come up here and just give some folds to this nightgown. Bring it up a little bit more. And let's draw her feet. So I'm going to come to the center right here and just draw 2 angle lines. Now this is going to be her pants. So she's very small, right under her nightgown. And her little legs, pop it right under, and her shoe. I'm just going to come out and connect it. So same thing on this side. Her 2 little ankles, connect it, and pop it out for her shoe and connect. And let's see here. Because she is a Draw So Cute girl, I mean a Draw So Cute boo, we're going to give her a little heart right here on her nightgown. And that is pretty much it for this cute little boo from Monsters Inc. Hope you guys love how it turned out. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.